Hello everyone and welcome to our new tutorial on how to build anything with ChatGPT and InVideo AI. Go to InVideo's website, click on Try InVideo AI. In your workspace on InVideo, you can provide any form of input you like. Open ChatGPT. Instruct ChatGPT to write content based on your needs. For example, if you want a YouTube script, ask ChatGPT to write a script for a YouTube video. Copy the text script generated by ChatGPT. Paste it into the prompt box in InVideo AI. Click on Generate Video. InVideo AI will analyze the content provided by ChatGPT. It will start preparing a video based on the script. Select the intended audience, the desired look and feel, and the platform for which the video is being created. As the video is being generated, you can make changes. Edit the script if needed. Change or choose different stock footage. Add other elements as per your requirements. Once you're satisfied with the video, you can download it directly from InVideo AI. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.